Got an IronBull tandem axle 14K dump trailer. I'm pretty sure his brakes are smoked. Look how hot those got. His equalizers are equally smoked. I don't know if you can see it, but man, it is fully blown out on both sides. So I'm gonna check his brakes, check his wiring, full service. I'm pretty sure it needs everything. I'm gonna tear it down and just double check. Let's get to it. First things first, let's get this trailer up in the air. One jack stand in. Second jack stand in. And third jack stands in. Trailer's up in the air, it's all supported. Let's get this center equalizer off. I don't think it's new anymore. There's the side. There's the bottom. New bushing going on the rear. New equalizer going in. New lock nut. That's kind of how I blew out that Milwaukee to begin with. Just out of its weight class. Good, snug. New equalizer is on passenger side. These brakes are pretty toasted. Let's see what they actually look like. Passenger side front. Yeah. Yep. Look at that. Magnets melted. There's no shoe on the back. She done. You've seen the front. Now let's see the rear. How'd water get in this? That's impressive. Passenger side rear. Oh, she gone. No shoe. Magnets done. It's a good thing we're doing this. And if you're doing this yourself, it's a 9/16 socket. Just get a 6-inch extension. You can get past the spindle and get to the 5 mounting nuts. One breaks off. Second breaks off. And we give the trailer a little happy rub down. Passenger side is clean. And new backing plates are going on. Arm is going towards the front of the trailer. Magnet is going towards the ground. They are in the correct orientation. 9/16 socket, tightens down fasteners. Make sure wiring is not smashed into the backing plate. Wiring's good. Passenger side rear is on. And passenger side front is going on. Gosh, I'm throwing nuts everywhere. Just go on the threads. Wiring is not smashed. 9/16 to tighten everything. Passenger side's on. Arm is going towards the front. Magnet's going towards the ground. Time to pack hubs. Yeah. 255/80 inner bearings, 151/25A outer bearings. Let's pack up bearings and then we're gonna add some grease to the hubs. Put everything in. All bearings are packed, grease is through the legs. One rubbed, one bearing in. Inner bearings are in and packed. Seals are in. And outer bearing is going in. Hub and drums are packed. Hub and drums going on. Washers on, spindle nuts on. Passenger side rear 50. Spindle nut back off. Hand tight. Passenger side rear retainer is verified. Passenger side front 50. Back off. Hand tight. Passenger side front retainer is verified. And adjusting brakes. Backed off, slightly rubbing. Passenger side rear. Cannot spin. Backed off, slightly rubbing. Passenger side's adjusted. Rear passenger side wiring is on. Shrink wrap and butt connectors. Wiring's done on the rear. This is why right here that I bought these 90-degree strippers. What are these? These are Matco's WSC9BG. Super nice, 90-degree strippers. Rear's tight, butt connectors going on. Passenger side front wiring's done. Axles are supported, let's get the equalizer off. Bolt's not brand new anymore. Slipper equalizer is not new anymore either. Bushing's out. New bushing in. New slipper going on. Main bolt is in. Main nut is on. Retainer on the front's on. Rear spring bolt is on. Center main bolt is snug. Front retainer nut is tight. Now let's see how these brakes look. Drums are done. Magnets done. No brake shoe left. 9/16 to take off backing plates. Front's off. And we're cleaning spindles. Driver's side front backing plate is going on. Wiring is not smashed into the back. Driver's side front is on. Wiring set up. Axle wiring is tied into the backing plate wiring and then to the main wiring there. And shrink wrap and butt connectors. Front brakes are wired. Hub and drums going on. Washers going on. Spindle nut. 50 driver's side front. Backed off. Hand tight. Driver's side front. Retainer is verified. Adjusting brakes. Cannot spin. Backed off. Slightly rubbing. Driver's side front's on. Let's do the rear. Driver's side rear. Brakes are done. Magnets are roasted. No shoes left on the back. Driver's side rear coming off. Driver's side rear brakes going on. Wiring is free of the backing plate. Backing plate's on and mounted. And wiring is going on. Butt connectors are on. Let's shrink wrap. Butt connectors are shrunk wrap. Driver's side rear hub is going on. Washers on. Spindle nuts on. Driver's side rear 50. Backed off. Hand tight. Driver's side rear retainer is verified. Driver's side rear tight. Cannot spin. Slightly rubbing on the brakes. Driver's side is adjusted. All brakes are installed. I need to fix the wiring up front. I think they're not wired correctly in this, so I'm gonna clean this up. Now, let's start over and see what we got here. I'm not messing with this. I'm just gonna change out the front plug. Didn't know what the wiring went to, and the front piece was drug. Eyelets on the end for the terminals for the 7-way plug are on. I need to restrip the wiring on the trailer. I don't have black wired in. Red is gonna be my 12-volt charge line. So let's see if I wired it up correctly and see if the functions work. I don't think the 12-volt line is hooked to the battery, so we can fix that. All right, let's see if the lights work. Marker lights are on. That one's not on. I think it's just a plug. Driver's side rear marker's on. Good, 3 light bars on. Left turn's on and working. Right turn's on and working. Back to markers. Rear is on. That one's not on, probably just a plug. That one's not on, probably just a plug. And that one's not on, probably just a plug. At least I know the circuit's working. Let's check brakes. Passenger side front, free spinning. Passenger side rear, free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up, locked up. Brakes are off, free spinning, free spinning. Passenger side brakes work. Driver side, rear free spinning, front free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up, front locked up. Brakes are off, free spinning, free spinning. Brakes work. Let's check breakaway. Breakaway pin is out. It needs to be replaced, but the pin is out. Breakaway system is not working, so we'll fix that. All right, pin's back in. All right, I can kind of finish up the front wiring. I need to open up this section here and look where the battery's at. Everything's wired up. Let's shrink wrap this and then put a big shrink wrap over the top of that. And shrink wrap is done. Well, I found out why the breakaway doesn't work. It's got no battery in it. And I can't even test the motor. I'm gonna let him deal with that. Here's the charge line. Here's the breakaway. We're gonna test the breakaway to see if it's sending 12 volt. 12 volt is on. Checking breakaway again. Breakaway pin is out. Brakes are locked up. I've got a new pin, so I'm throwing that in. New breakaway pin is in. Front's free spinning. The breakaway system does work. It just needs a battery on the front. And now we're just double checking the charge line. Good, we're getting 13 on the charge line. Perfect. All he needs to do is put blue on positive, red on positive, and then white on ground. Let's see if I can get the marker lights working. IPA Tools Cleaner works really well. Able to clean the post really nice. Good, let's see if the light works. Light works. This one's not working. I don't have that light. I got a 2-inch light, but not a 2.5 on my truck. This was just the plug coming off. I wonder why it's not working. That's all I need was a little spit. And last one that I can fix. Oh, this one's good. All right, that one of the wires had bare copper on it, so I'm redoing the connection. Okay, this plug is getting power. Okay, plug's getting power, it's getting 12 volts. The light's not turning on. Light's just bad. Okay, we got 3 lights, 3 marker lights that are not working, but those are easy enough. They're getting power, it just needs a new light, and I'll order some in for them. Painted, it's got grease. Out of grease. I got new grease in the gun. Center bolt's greased. Yeah, torque and lug nuts. All lug nuts torqued. Let's do the run on this trailer. 4 new backing plates, 4 new hub and drums, 4 bearing kits, 1 equalizer kit, so 2 equalizers, 1 main bolt, 2 extended bolts, and 2 retainer bolts. Everything else was good. Lights were good. I did put on a new 7-way plug and wire in the front. The other one got smashed in multiple areas, and I wasn't 100% sure how it was wired, so I just wanted to make sure it worked. But I got it on, new 7-way plug on the front. He needs to install his battery on there for his Breakaway kit to work, but I did confirm function for the Breakaway kit. All brakes are adjusted. All lug nuts are torqued. It needs 2 2.5-inch amber lights, and it needs 1 2.5-inch red light. I didn't have those on my truck. I have a 2-inch on the truck instead of the 2.5s. But I'll let him know on that if I have another trailer of his I need to do, so I can do that while I do his other trailer. You watched this whole video through. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, comment. It helps me out a bunch. I'm trying to grow this channel more and more each day. Thank you for watching. This job's done. I'm on to the next.